Hello mga ka-hardwork, mga ka-loyal, welcome back. It's been a while na hindi pa tayo nagbablog. Anyways, today is Saturday, April 12. Time check is 12:15 PM. Susunduin po natin yung mga kambal sa kanilang training sa Taekwondo. Kasama natin si Miss Shirley Sahanan, hindi na nakikita, at si
Miss na po ako.
Miss na po kayo. At saka si Mr. Noah, at saka si Amber. Tara, samahan niyo po kami sa maiksing biyahe. Let's go! Tara, let's! Malabas na naman po tayo sa gate. Ayan.
Yung Starlux.
Alright guys, mga ka-hardwork, mga ka-loyal, believe it or not, oh my god, ayaw huminto ng kotse na to ah. Alright, it's okay. Dito po sa street na yan, we used to live here years ago. Yung nanay tatay ko doon sa area na yun, doon din ako tumira. Parang kailan lang, ngayon dinadaanan na lang namin. Okay, nandito na po tayo sa USA Taekwondo. Pipikapin na natin ang mga kambal. Ayan. Ayan guys, mga ka-hardwood, mga ka-loyal, ayan na po yung kambal.
Ready, ready.
Hello, hello.
Wait, did you see it? She was looking out the window. Did you see it?
She like popped down and over.
Oh, you're sitting on her.
Come here, akan ako.
Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog.
Oh, get out.
No.
Do you wanna keep her there?
Okay,
Ayan, may
mga
ice
ka-hard
cream.
work,
May ice-
tara pupunta tayo ngayon sa American
ice
sa
cream
college, kung saan ang competition po ni Noah tomorrow doon. Si Noah mayroon siyang jiu-jitsu competition tomorrow, provided he'll make the weight konting slightly over sa, but I think
Sino
he'll
naiwan
make
siya?
it. Anyways, I know dadalhin ko sa
He's waiting
doon,
for his ride.
at doon din po ako nag-aral. Papakita ko sa inyo ngayon. Tara!
May asador. Cute.
It's so.
What time did you get done?
We got done. Wait, what time is it right now?
It is
33. Oh, it would be lunchtime in school.
It's only Gavin left.
Yeah. His ride is like 10 minutes. He said. I feel bad.
Who else is there? What's their name?
Yeah, Mr. John.
Whoa!
What's it called? I think we got done at like 12:10.
Everybody left, including Bianca.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to.
There is the Miracosta sign, Miracosta College. Man, it's been many years ago. Wala na dumadaan ako dito. Nagdaan ako dito. Parking permit required. What's for pedestrian? Only way, so we can go this way and this way. Wait lang tayo. Let's build it.
I think I've been here.
Nung nag-graduate ako si Lord.
That's it. I
Yeah,
don't
but it's on the
remember.
other side tayo. Hindi ko na nakakabisado.
Saan ba tayo pupunta bukas?
I think sa ano nila, sa gym. I have to look yung yung
Automotive Technology
Basketball.
Wellness Center.
It's like
big one.
Every
Yung
month.
chemistry and ano, wala naman dati yun. Yeah, I think this is the building namin noon naman din.
Allied Health Occupation.
Exchange.
Hey.
Guys, this is where I'm gonna take my online classes.
You're gonna do that?
Yes, I am.
Go.
Well, I'm trying to graduate with
Oh.
y'all.
Campus access.
Okay, I love it. Guys, I'm gonna take online miracles to college. I mean, not I'm gonna take miracles to online classes.
Ito lalabas ng ano to si Dart, College Boulevard.
Ah,
Yes.
yun yung
Sa mga Home
Barber
Depot,
Drive.
yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
How are you breathing
And
into my
then-
face? Here, right next to me. I'm breathing.
Media art chain.
Hey, I'm not gonna
Major
Theater.
performer.
Dude, these are all the
Holy crap, you can make a living.
1B parking. Ayan. So, dyan tayo magpapark. Ito. Parking lot. I see. Parking C.
Saan ba tayo? This is theater.
Yeah. Dyan yung graduation noon, di ba? If you remember.
Ah, yeah, that looks
Yeah.
familiar. Dance and theater studio. So where is the gym? Theater.
Julia.
Ew.
Just kidding. I'm gonna go home.
Concert hall. Concert hall. Building. 1,000.
Wala yung gym.
You don't remember.
Parking student staff.
Kakalito to. Dami kita.
Wait, Dad, how long did you take classes here?
Tambro.
Okay mga ka-hardwork, mga ka-loyal, that was our little drive tour dito sa Miracosta at alis na po tayo. Pasensya na kayo, hindi masyadong basta umigo lang tayo kasi gusto lang namin makita dahil tomorrow po pupunta kami doon para sa competition ni Noah sa kanya Jiu-Jitsu tournament. At least this time dito lang sa city namin, hindi na kami magdadrive ng 1 oras kalahati like yung mga previous competition niya. But it's all good. Now let's go home.
Go home.
Yeah, but
Pababa pa yung hamsters.
hello, Amber.
She's
Asa. Hi, Amber. Kasama si Amber. Oh, ayan. Oh.
finally.
Nakapasyal na naman siya.
Nakapasyal siya.
It's been a while mula nang makapasyal si Amber.
Marami na lang ako siya kanina. Nakatingin siya sa akin.
Wait, so you couldn't even see me?
Yeah,
Alright, mga kaharap, mga kaloyal. Siguro po, pamilyan sa inyo ang view na yan. Ito po ang San Luis Rey Church. Isa sa mga 21 mission San Luis Rey. Ayan po. That's the king of the mission. Kung natatandaan po ninyo, nung nagbiyahe kami sa 21 Mission Church dito sa California. So, isa po yan. Which is, taga rito po kami, kaya ito madalas naming napuntahan.
Whoa, what the heck? That was Mr. Candelario. Just
Feels like you recognize the place.
Okay mga kaharok, mga kaloyal, nandito na po tayo sa bahay. So i-end na po natin yung maiksing video natin dito. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Bye.
Short soon.